Hello guys, this is me Sharon and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you another design that I have made using the flex frame, and this is the second design that I have made. It's also a coin purse. By the way, do not forget to subscribe. Alright, so for this project I will be needing a 100% acrylic yarn, and this is a flex frame. The size is almost 3 inches. So it's about 3 1/8. That's how small it is. There are many sizes of this metal flex frame. You can have longer than this, and I chose this one because it's cute and it's great to make as a coin purse. The recommended hook size for this one is 4. It's one of those yarns that I have been using, and it's a high bulk acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. It says here, and the recommended hook size is number 4, but I'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook for this because I want a tighter tension. So to start, I'm going to make a slip knot, chain up to the length of this flex frame. So I need about 3 inches long. 1, 2, 3. So I have about 19 chains, and this is what it's looking like. Now after this, I'm going to chain 1 for the turning chain. So all in all I have 20 chains in total. And then what I'm going to do next is on the second chain from hook, I'm going to work a single crochet, 1 single crochet into each stitch across, except the last chain. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and let's see, it's a bit longer than the flex frame, which is just fine. And then when you get to the last stitch or last chain, we're just going to work 3 single crochets in there. And then into the next available chain, that's where we're gonna work 1 single crochet into each stitch across, except the last stitch, in which we're going to add 2 more single crochets. Into the very last stitch, which has 1 single crochet in it, we're gonna add 2 more, so that we will have 3 single crochets in total. So now we're going to work a slip stitch into that single crochet, and we made our base. Now for the next rounds, we will just work 1 single crochet into every stitch around until we get the height that we want. So we're going to chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 single crochet into every stitch around. This is what it looks like after working a few more rows, and we're gonna work a few more, and then we're going to add a few more rounds for this flex frame. So I'm gonna show you in the next clip after I worked a few more rounds. So after that, you're going to divide in half. You're gonna work in rows on this side first. So next thing that we're gonna do is, after slip stitching to close the round, you're gonna chain one single crochet in the same stitch, and I counted the total number of single crochets around. It's 40, so I'm gonna work 20 single crochets on this side, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. So after working 20 single crochets on this side first, we're going to chain one and turn. This will count as one single crochet, so this is the first stitch, and on this first stitch is the chain one, which counts as one single crochet. So we'll work on to the next stitch and we'll do one single crochet into each stitch across until we get to the 20th stitch here, and then 20. So each row must have 20 single crochets, and I'm going to do that until I have 7 rows of 20 single crochets. So I'm going to chain the one and turn into the next stitch. I will work my second single crochet, 3, 4. So I'll keep repeating that back and forth until I have about 7 rows of single crochets. And that is how you can make this flex frame coin purse. By the way, I have made previously in my channel. You can check out the previous project that I've made by using the flex frame. And if you have made this one as well, do not forget to tag me on my IG account. It's at SharonLee26. Thank you so much and have a good day.